Hi, this is Jimmy Thompson, designated broker and owner of Road to Home Realty, and this is Real Estate Investing 101. So there's two types of buyers out there in real estate. When it comes to residential real estate, you have the traditional buyers, the people that tend to buy a house and live in it. Then on the other hand, you have the investors, and there's quite a few of them out there. There's all types, whether it's giant companies or just somebody looking for their first investment properties. Either way, we have traditional buyers and we have investor buyers. So what type of home are these different buyers looking for? Well, what we found in our research is that a very small percentage of traditional buyers are looking for homes that need work. Especially in today's world, it's a little less competitive. Interest rates are a little bit higher, and they or a lot higher from the 3% that we saw a couple years ago. So with that in mind, they're not looking for properties that need to be fixed up. One, because it's just harder for them to do it, and financially, and at the same time, there's a lot of properties out there that they can get that are perfect, and they can move right in. They don't mind paying a little premium for that. Investors, on the other hand, are looking for something totally different. While you do have a small percentage of investor buyers that would buy a brand new house or one that has been totally renovated, a lot of times it's that's just not what they're looking for. They're looking for something that needs work, that they can fix up and make a difference for them. So in other words, they buy it at a lower price, put money into it, and then sell it at a higher price, or even if they're holding it, they're still bought it at a low enough price and they fix it up where they can rent it. So one of the things that we're seeing in today's world is there's a lot of listings out there that are sort of in that medium range. So maybe they need to be renovated, and then we've got them priced high. We see listings that are priced high and they need maybe a little bit of renovation, but they're not so run down that an investor wants it. So there's a lot of those properties on the market right now that are sort of in limbo, and it's making it difficult for sellers to sell those properties just because there is less demand for that sort of middle of the road property like that. So that's a little bit something that helps investors, that helps traditional buyers and sellers as well, that you sort of know the difference of what people are looking for. So if you want to know how to take advantage of the investment market, or you're just looking to buy or sell, give me a call, 602-541-5885.